welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. We are here at Crandon Beach again. We're shooting with one of my favorite models, Toria. Today is her birthday photo shoot, but her birthday is not today. We're gonna be really focusing on one look, but we're also gonna be doing some video work too, so we can get something very, very cinematic. Hope you guys enjoy. Shooting with a Canon R5 with a 24-70, and we're using a reflector for the most part. Not gonna use any strobes today. If you hear any yelling in the background, we're outside. There's people who are here. So there's that. All right.
Oh, I'm being blinded.
Oh yeah. I'm not saying about anything. I know I need to talk while I'm doing this, but
Hold on 1 second. I know my hair is on my forehead.
oh, it's one piece.
I feel
Yeah, they got it.
Right?
And then wrap it around your ear. That piece around that. Yes, yep, you got it.
Good.
Use the sun to our advantage. On the angles. Yeah.
Well, we've lost the ring back. Oh, that's gone. Yeah, that's gone.
All right, so you want to use a clamp?
On my ear? Let's say no.
Sorry, it's the only answer I had. I didn't have another thought.
As long as that's, you know.
The wind is blowing. So I was thinking like having you here, like in front of me. There you go. That way you had a palm tree there, and then he can blind you. Should be a lot easier to find your light. There you go. I saw it in her eyes. I see it in her eyes now. Nope. More. There it is.
Is the hair okay? Is it
Yeah, the hair is fine. Because when I got the wind, should be blowing the hair that way. Beautiful. And you got all the greenery. Let me show it to you real quick so you can see the greenery.
stunning.
Yes.
Gorgeous.
We have the greenery. We have the greenery that we wanted. Uh-oh, lost the earring.
There it goes. Is my skin okay?
Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna retouch. Anything else is gonna be just retouched.
Dude.
No, you're not gonna be ashy. Look towards the reflector. Beautiful. So I'm backing up to get. Nope, not yet. I want to get this more compression out of the thing. Yeah, now we're going to the foots.
Is that out enough?
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, I'm just gonna accept that that's there.
Accept that what's there?
The rope behind you, I'm gonna take it out later.
Oh.
Isaiah, back up 2 steps. Oh, it's right here. It's on her feet. Now, yes, now she's blind. Take one step back.
Back? Or
yeah. No, back. Yeah. This is one of them days I kind of want to. You got to hold it.
Yeah, you don't have to hold it, yeah.
The sun is here, so that means you got to be there. Yes. Beautiful. I know I'm not talking about anything because I'm trying to focus on getting this shot. The composition is beautiful. I'm gonna come under the thing. That's too far under. You look really tall, but I feel like I'm under your throat. I don't want to be under your throat. Turn to me. Beautiful. I need something hands engaging here. Yeah, let's add into, let's move the cart. Move the cart for me, please. So the reason I chose this shot, I moved over here is one, so we can mix up the angles. I feel like I was in the same spot for too long. But then two, this little rope gives us a leading line for her to, yep, perfect. We put her hands on her waist to make sure we define her waistline. Because even though she has curves, we want to accent them even more. Beautiful. Chin down, chin down, chin down. Oh, okay. All right, we need to go palm trees. Let's go. I know. We're gonna just go get them. Right there, right over there. We need ones that are lower. They must have cut them.
You don't want this one?
She can't go in there.
Oh, because of the bar?
Yeah, the thing is, the rope is to tell you no. We can go right there.
No, over there.
Yeah, let's make our way over there. We're moving that way.
This looks weird.
Nope, that's good. I feel like it works. Yeah, we got a bird in the background for no reason. I like the bird. Beautiful. Yes, you are. It's okay to smile. It's okay to smile.
It is literally cooking the shit out of me.
Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, give it. That means she needs to breathe.
Jesus! It is a fire. Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
It's worth it though. It's worth it. It's worth it.
Sure, but all right.
You fine. You
It's been
fine.
a while since I've been able to cook like that.
There's hair on this part of your neck. Yep. Try to get all of those because that's gonna be annoying.
I know.
It's all like those.
I know the thing.
Each individual hair, you gotta try to find. Yep.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Let's do it.
Beautiful.
That was lighting up your eyes.
I need eyes. Eyes are everything for this. I'm shooting tighter now. Don't lose her hair. Beautiful. Hold it right there. There we go. There we go. All right, now look at me straight on. Take a breath, take a breath. All right, and then I need you to give your eyes as big as you can, right over the top of me. Like straight.
Oh,
Yeah.
ready?
1, 2, 3.
Woo, hold.
I know.
This is so loud. I'm ready.
No, I ain't take no pictures.
Smile, 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 big smile. Pageant smile. It doesn't matter. We just want the pageant smile for 2 seconds.
Pageant smile with big eyes feels crazy.
I know. It's the sun. The sun is making us do this. Not like you're struggling. Like you're struggling.
I don't smile like that.
I know. I don't think we're good then. Let me show it to you.
I'm out on stage. Wow, that's beautiful. Wow. Sweating, but it looks good.
Yeah, right, exactly. The light hits it.
Dion cooking with fire!
I'll show you guys, obviously. On
Dion, who is that? I don't know who that is.
That is some girl named To something.
To something?
To songs. So we trying. There we go. Give me a second.
Hair.
Yeah, the hair was fine. I actually liked it in your face. Yep. Big eyes, give me bigger eyes, bigger eyes. There it is, right there. There you go. You still gotta have a forehead at some point in your life. Chin down slightly, chin down. There we go. Oh no, I found something. There's what I was looking for. I didn't know that's what I wanted, but I found it.
You get it?
I got it.
Okay.
I saw the pain. I felt the pain.
No, but wait till you see.
I don't think I can see anything right now. Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh, go in the shade. Go in the shade.
I can see. I'm
Okay.
good. Wow, that is, oh my God, wow.
That's what I found. That's what I was.
Super sweaty, but it's stunning.
Well, when the retouching happens.
Did you want to pack?